Okay. Hello, everyone. So I hope you had a good few weeks since last time. Today, we are going to continue our exploration of language models and to focus on a particular topic, how to fix the errors made by foundation models in your complex and domain-specific tasks. But before we start, a few news. On Kili side, we ship new amazing features on our data labeling platform. We are super happy to share with you that we introduced a new flow to label, where you can first pick the tool from the toolbar and then complete all the related jobs directly from a floating menu. And this flow is particularly useful if, for instance, you are dealing with a large number of categories, because then you don't have to search anymore the categories in the job viewer tab. We also introduced a bounding box in the interactive segmentation tool. And when you use the bounding box, you can more accurately target the objects that you want to annotate. And in the text and image labeling interface, now you can visualize the links between the objects. So between name entities, annotations, or between objects and images. And it means so more visibility, less confusion, increased labeling speed, and higher annotation quality. On the state-of-the-art side, one news, there was an exciting paper from Meta, end of May, named Lima. As you know, ChatGPT uses a complicated RLHF process to be trained that uses more than 50,000 label data. And the authors of this paper show that it's possible to achieve the same result, so fine-tuning a large language model, but only using 1,000 labels. And to do that, they only focus on quality. And so it means chasing for diversity and quality when labeling and creating the data used to fine-tune the large language models. And so what it shows is that it shows the power of high-quality training data. So basically, creating labels of high quality and high diversity help them to divide by 50 the volume of needed label data. Last time, we learned how it's possible to use GPT to pre-annotate a classification or a name entity extraction tasks. And we also had a look at Meta new SAM model that you can use to label semantic masks 3 times faster within Kili. And we also had a look at how you can use a confidence indicator extracted from those foundation models to prioritize your review and so create more accurate labels. But so overall, we saw that those foundation models are super powerful to enhance your annotation process. But as soon as you get into more specific domains, we run into difficulties. And you can experience it very simply yourself with ChatGPT. For instance, if you ask it to share with you some scientific references on one kind of specific topics. And then you can see that ChatGPT creates what is named hallucinations, so quoting sources that don't exist. And so in this webinar, we will have a look at how we can have more control on the output of those models to correct their errors. So namely, we will start by having a look at the common mistakes made by foundation models. Then we'll understand a bit more the factors that cause these mistakes. And finally, we will test, experiment together strategies for overcoming these limitations. My name is Edouard Archambault. I'm the CTO, co-founder of Kili, and I'm super happy to be with Jean today. Hello, Jean.
Hello, Edouard.
So let's go.